Jag build that we've been working on for what, 6 months?
Yeah.
Probably 6 months.
We started in spring. I think it was early spring.
I mean, don't mind the debris on the hood there. That's factory. So today it's cold enough in here. We let the wood stove die down. It's probably, well, let's see. That's 42, so not terrible. Still a little bit warm, but this has got the Indy throttle block on it. Still gas from a year ago. Looks like almost a 3/4 tank still. And we're just gonna see if it runs. We had to change the clutch guard around and make that have some clearance, and a lot of custom motor mounting, and we're just gonna see if it runs and it doesn't make a bunch of noise today, so.
We might have to squirt it.
Yeah, we may have to actually. Yeah, I'll get the bottle. And it still has some issues yet, but. Oh, maybe not. Too bad.
Well, cert one's hot.
Ever touched that high. Like, even if probably turning 1,000 more RPM though.
Yeah, it's hard.
And it's crisping up as we're idling. We had to freshen up the engine in it. New seals, re-sealed everything on top end. And still got to do a little bit of fine tuning on it, but we're seeing if it has any issues. It had an issue with this thing dying when it got hot. So bringing her in properly. Yeah. You can smell the belt.
Yeah, man. That belt is bad, too.
Maybe we have a bad belt.
Bad belt. Super thin.
So windy out
It's
there.
great out here, guys.
I like watching you cover 5th place.
Hey, 5th out of 30 is good.
5th out of 30 ain't
I don't
bad.
see you even placing, so
Yeah.
this is true. Well, there you go.
Well, hey,
I gotta make my redemption tour.
what do you think about Zcaster actually driving a snowmobile?
Crash and burn.
I agree. Crash and burn, dude. As you can tell, we're not the wealthiest, so.
We just have fucking everything under the sun. We spend all our money on our
Yeah,
ass.
we spent all of our hard-earned money on stupid crap. I mean, is that the story of my life or not?
Yes.
Yep, 100%. Oh yeah. Like 5 volts. Like 5 volts. Ideal. Not ideal. Oh boy. I think. Well, you hold throttle. You're at 100. Yep.
Sounds great. That's the clutch. That's completely.
Yeah, the clutch is completely frigged. 100 psi, that'll work. Let's see if the other side is close. It was 50 first pull, so. For these old motors, that's probably all you need. 100 pounds. It'll
More
run.
than 90% of them actually.
Oh, did you fog it hard?
Warm. Ready?
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like the head gasket's blowing out right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
That side blew out now?
Yeah.
Can we blow the other one?
The other one's still good.
Yep. This side blew out a head gasket too.
There she goes.
I got. Oh, does the head gasket look good? Oh. Well, I think she's she's all right, eh?
She's just jet black.
Or she broke.
I mean,
We gotta take a razor. Okay, you gotta take a knife. Anyone got a knife on him?
you would see the soot on top of that piston.
That's just ash, dude. Yeah, we can just stove that. Not a chance in hell.
Oh, no. I mean, the rust.
Is she dead?
I think it budged in my imagination.
It did. The guy that's always saying, "Oh, did it budge?"
Dude, it didn't budge.
Next.
Next.
This guy?
I've already clubbed that one.
That one, Mark. You almost got it off though.
But it's so.
But it's gonna be
It's fine.
I think I busted it.
Busted? Let's get her off. Let's take it out of its misery, dude. How many shims? Oh, God. And the cobwebs on it. And it's almost off, Mark.
It's all cracked.
No.
Yeah.
That's just patina. You almost got it, buddy. Let's just
Wear and tear?
just get it done. Now, I won't say that this is the best.
See, it's all cracked to shit.
Is it?
It's cracked here. It's cracked here.
There's a spidey right by your fingers, a big one.
Where? Spider by the spider.
Down by the jack shaft. Now he's crawling. But
I'm only halfway off on this thing, dude.
yeah, I guess it's a box.
You gotta make a color for these things, dude.
Okay. Next. Head gasket's still good, but next.
Look at these cobwebs.
All right, ginos. Oh boy, this might be our last resort, dude. Is there any chance ginos will come?
I already busted this one too. A little corner. Big old club tour.
Dude, definitely budged. Honestly, might have. I don't know. No
I
lie.
don't know about all that.
This one's probably been sitting the longest outside.
I remember I clubbed one of these so long, I sweated until I was drowning.
Why don't you just put that?
Heat it up. I have to heat the whole fucking thing
Why
up.
don't you just put that reverse cam on their back?
Well, I was thinking, I mean, you could do some more modifications to them. Oh. Okay.
Plus, he's got the factory tool out.
I know. This one, the motor is the one that's tight. Oh boy.
Oh, that one might have actually moved.
No, I thought it had a gap now, but this one doesn't have as much rust.
I'm just getting its bell rung.